NBC Headquarters Construction. Update 2026. Glass installation reaches 100% completion. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we bring you the latest construction update on one of Phnom Penh's major institutional developments, the new National Bank of Cambodia headquarters, also known as NBC Headquarters. The project continues to take shape, and there is an important milestone to highlight. The installation of the building's exterior glass has now reached 100% completion. As you can see from the latest views, the completed glass facade gives the building a much more defined and finished appearance. The exterior envelope is an important stage of a high-rise construction project because it significantly changes the overall appearance of the structure. With the glass installation now fully completed, the architectural design of the NBC headquarters is becoming much easier to appreciate from the outside. The reflective facade also gives the building a modern and professional appearance, fitting its role as the headquarters of Cambodia's central bank. This milestone is another clear sign that the project is moving forward toward its next stages of construction and completion. The development of major institutional buildings, such as the NBC headquarters, contributes to the continued transformation of Phnom Penh's urban landscape. Over recent years, the capital has experienced significant growth in high-rise buildings, commercial developments, infrastructure, and modern urban projects. The new NBC headquarters is part of this changing cityscape and is becoming another recognizable landmark within Phnom Penh. As construction progresses, future updates will likely focus increasingly on interior works, building systems, landscaping, surrounding infrastructure, and other finishing works. For those who follow Phnom Penh's rapid development, projects like this provide an interesting look at how the capital continues to modernize. So, the latest milestone is clear. The exterior glass installation at the National Bank of Cambodia headquarters has reached 100% completion. The building now presents a much more complete exterior appearance, bringing the project another step closer to its final stage. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.